Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today I'm educating the public on how to respond and resolve a PayPal dispute. Ensure one precaution once you have a chance to respond to a PayPal dispute. Write down in your Word document. Ensure you pass it through Grammarly. Ensure that you use the correct English because PayPal offers you only one chance to report to them what has happened. Immediately, if you have maybe proof of evidence screenshots, attach along. So was my PayPal dispute. You have one case that needs your response. One or two customers have filled a case related to your purchase. Click here for details. View all open cases. So I will be able, once I click there, it will lead me to PayPal to my resolution center. In resolution center, I can see one case requires a response. This is requires a response. It was a case reason the client had delivered them a blog post worth 3,000 words. Upon delivering to them, the client started asking me a refund even before sending me revision comments on anything. Basically that is not the due process. I sent them an invoice where it had all the details, all the happenings that had happened. So what I will be, how I will come here and click respond. Once I click respond, I have the response that I have written here in my Word document. I've ensured it's very detailed. I have some WhatsApp screenshots as we were chatting with the client. That one will be WhatsApp. Was a platform that I had indicated is where we officially interacted with the customer. So the buyer hired me to write them an article post of 3,000 words. Upon me delivering them, I wrote them an invoice. This is the invoice. These were the terms and conditions of the invoice. Revision is free. I had indicated no refund. They had indicated anything that happens, evidence of WhatsApp, where the agreement and conversation were documented. It was a blog post worth 3,000 words that was about an art of literature review. Blog post, and I've indicated every detail. This is the invoice. So basically, I told you once you are given a chance by PayPal to respond to a PayPal dispute, ensure you have all your details, file them at once. Because if you make a mistake or leave anything out, it will not be picked. I have even proof of evidence that we were chatting with this client. I have them here in my here they are. These are WhatsApp call that we are chatting with the client. So basically, what will happen? I'll take you. I will we will go we will go back. So this is in the resolutions. This is in the resolution center. We'll come and give them a chance to respond. Once we click respond, we can see that the dispute was opened on 28th September, and lastly it was updated yesterday on 26th. It tells me that the buyer reported the item they received was not as described. We have placed hold of the transaction until the case is closed. Buyer files this case. You have agreed to issue a full refund. You agreed to a full refund on the item. Buyer has provided track of information. We need more information from you. Estimated time for the case solution will be on 2nd November. So they tell me this the buyer filed a case, the case number. They say that the blog post that I submitted, the 3,000 words, was not as their requirements. But basically, as we have seen in the invoice, as the invoice indicated, we had said revision was for free, and any issue that should be settled between the parties amicably, and there was a no refund. So I was not offered any refund. What I would do, I would do revisions until the clients meet the requirements. It tell me I need to respond by 28 October. I'm only given 3 days to respond. because basically I'm told that the buyer provided tracking information. The buyer has provided tracking information, and this is the email that people sent. So this is the status update. They told me we have been reviewing a case that your buyer filed against you, and previously decided the best course of action was to have them return your merchandise. We have now received the shipment tracking information from the client, from the return of your merchandise. This is a tracking number. Please log in resolution center and let us know when you have received the merchandise. Otherwise, we will confirm the merchandise has been delivered to you using using the tracking information provided by the buyer. Once you have confirmed the merchandise has been received to you, we will issue the buyer a refund of $150 from PayPal. If the refund makes your balance negative, please log into your PayPal account and add some balance. That is what PayPal told me. The client was told, in order to resolve this dispute, the client was told to provide some shipping information, and they should ship back the merchandise to me. Basically, what that means maybe if I go in eBay and buy a basketball or maybe some Nike shoes, and the seller from Amazon ships to me something different from what I had described, I'll be able to have to be able to ship back the product and maybe get a refund. Now the client is becoming fishy, saying that they are shipped back, and basically was an article of 3,000 words that I had done to them, which was a service that was delivered via PayPal. They tells me that buyer has provided track information. We need more information from you. Response required. So we will click okay. What should you do? The buyer provided the following track information of the item that is being returned. Verify the track information. Provide to the case before 28th October at 6 GMT 7. Confirm the receipt and return the product. Tracking number is NO. Shipping company cannot provide tracking. Once you confirm that you have received the item, we will process the refund and close the case. So it was an authorized refund. Client bullied me via phone call to refund. The company terms and condition policy are very clear. No refund policy. I'll not refund. I cannot. The company provided a platform to revise the work until the client is fine tuned, but they never offered a chance for the client to for I to be able to to be able to refund the cash back. So I'll come and click the button here, notify. I choose your response. I have received the item. No. Surely continue. You must respond. You must choose a response to continue. I have received. They are giving me only one option. So you can see that people expect me to respond in around by 28th October. Tells me what should do. The bar provided the information of tracking information for the item and is being returned. Verify the tracking and respond to the case before 28th October 2020. Confirm the receipt of the return, tracking number, shipping company. Once you confirm that, where you have the item will process the refund and close the case. So for this case, I'm supposed to come here and notify people. I say I received. Once I say I received, I will be able to say continue, but I'll not respond since PayPal is bulldozing me. They should give me two options to say that I received or not received, but now they are subjecting me to say I received. That's the only option they are giving me. So I will not respond to that dispute. Otherwise, thank you for sticking with me to my video recording. This is I'm trying to resolve this case that was started by the bar 28 September. We have gone all through, and they tell now we are 28 October, and they tell me that they need more information from me. Response required. But once they give me response required, they are not giving me somewhere to draft or attach more documents. They're just giving me an option to click one button that accept that the customer has filed back, has shipped back the goods back to me. And basically, the good was a service, so a service cannot be shipped. So I'll know other avenues. Either I'll call them, or I will keep texting them till I get a customer care that I will be able to communicate. Thank you for sticking with me. In case you need any assistance with your PayPal dispute, reach me out through my YouTube tutorial, lifestyle tutorials. Ensure go in the description link. You'll in my newest video you'll find my WhatsApp number where you can reach me out and I'll be able to assist you in case you are in dispute, or I'll advise you accordingly at a small fee. Thank you for sticking with me at the end of the video recording. Lifestyle tutorials.